It is easy to assume that age is written in stone, a clear, unappealable figure which increases year after year from the day of birth. But not always the body agrees. There are people who at age 65 continue to walk 10 kilometers daily without effort, while others at just 50 already drag several health problems. Why does this happen? The answer could be in an invisible but very real difference: biological age. If you're liking this content, don't forget to subscribe and give like. This helps us keep creating more interesting videos on health and science issues. Your support is very important to us. An international team of researchers has just presented a new method for estimating this biological age with surprising precision. The tool is called gtAge and combines complex molecular data with artificial intelligence to offer a much more refined estimate than any previous model. The study, published in Engineering magazine, not only presents this innovation, but suggests that it could become a key marker for disease detection before the first symptoms appear. But what is biological age really, and why should you care? Unlike the chronological age, biological age reflects the actual state of your body. Factors such as lifestyle, genetics, and nutrition affect how our cells, tissues, and organs deteriorate. This poses an important scientific challenge. The new gtAge biological clock relies on two types of information that can be obtained from a blood sample: the structure of sugars in antibodies and the activity of genes in blood cells. These two layers of information provide a complementary view of cell aging. What makes gtAge special is the way these biomarkers are combined. A machine learning algorithm called AlphaSnake allows dynamically to select the most relevant molecular traits, thus achieving a more accurate prediction. One of the most striking aspects of the study is the concept of age delta, which represents the difference between the chronological age and the age estimated by gtAge. This delta is related to real health parameters and can anticipate chronic diseases. Before gtAge, there were already models based on one of the components used here, but their results were less solid. The integrated gtAge clock achieved a very high coefficient of determination, indicating its ability to predict the real age of people. For now, gtAge is an experimental tool, but its potential application in preventive medicine is enormous. To detect that a person is aging faster than expected could allow early interventions. However, the researchers recognize some limitations. The study only included people between 46 and 66 years of age, which raises the question of how gtAge would work in other populations. In addition, the costs of analysis can make it difficult for them to adopt massively. One of the most relevant findings of the work has to do with the relationship between aging and inflammation. This opens the door to further research on treatments that modulate these pathways to curb biological aging.